What's up guys, it's me, the Athletic Brony, FritzRolle732, and we got ourselves another reaction for you guys. This time it is to Baloney's react to the Karen episode of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, aka Sounds of Silence. Let me tell you guys, I'm super excited for this reaction because it's been a while since I had the meat sweats. But right now, let me tell y'all, I am ready. And before we get into that, as you can see, I got myself a brand new outfit. The Creeper Brown website was having a spring sale going on, and I knew that was the time where I had to get. Anyways, all of that does not matter. What matters most is this Baloney's react that I'm about to do a reaction to. So with that being said, brace yourselves, y'all. You're about to see my reaction to some Brony cringe that I love the most. So, Baloney's react to Sounds of Silence in T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Want to turn it up. I even got some snacks to keep me company. Some popcorn.
Whoa. Oh my god. Listen, I didn't mean to do
Is that PewDiePie?
anything serious. Why did you bring me here? You put little shy if I am into reaction.
I don't know who the...
Asked him. Look, I'm not trying to do this for horse fame. I'm just trying to do this for fun. Little
Yeah.
friend.
Who that? Seriously, who's that? Oh, that's Race. That's Race. Oh no, Race versus death. Oh wait.
Hey, see you later.
New episode, so Seeya. Okay, I guess that wasn't Race. LGBTQ plus. Yeah, I highly doubt it. This is the shit. Yep, real action and Marvel. I got the meat sweats. I'm gonna have them. Is that red card? Yep, it is. I can tell by the by the sound. 9 p.m. I want to take a nap. I know how you feel, red card. I had that same type of feeling this morning. It's joke. Hey, it ain't as good of shades than these.
You'll never find a YouTuber as cool or as consistent as me. Like, I don't even know.
T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch. Let's on ya, bitch. Let's on ya.
So many better things I could be doing right now. Guys, I got a new microphone. ASMR.
I could tell.
Alright, let's get into this. Sounds of Silence.
Here we go, the king of Baloney himself. Or creator, my bad.
It's Baloney's react.
Oh my god, no! Please. Oh god, please don't make a reference to that piece of shit.
And sicko mode to be replaced by Sweet Victory.
Yes! Victory! Yeah.
Ready.
Hey, he's got a beard.
Horse review. I don't know why I'm still doing this. Drummer, why aren't you paying me for this? Whatever. I mean, it fits. I'm as fat as ever. It's only coming.
Oh god.
I'm ready.
Alright, first time.
Hey, we got a new guy. I Pony.
Sophisticated as possible. Yep, sophisticated as possible. I am shit based right now. Hello everybody and welcome to Soda Street's friend, Monkey27. I'm your
Ah, he's now animated. Oh my gosh.
I can finally do a true bird review. And we'll be reacting to Sound of Silence.
Stopped working. Ah, the blue screen! I knew that was gonna happen. I was like, are we gonna get a blue screen? Yep, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Oh my god.
Get closer, Scotty. How much farther? You've reached the halfway point.
Hey! Keep Brony's back! Yes!
What is it?
Oh god. Alright. Yes! Guess who's back? Back again. It is a geek. And he's a Brony. Uranus. Welcome back, Uranus. Oh, they're reacting together. It's like Saber Spark and I Love Kim Possible a lot in Rainbow Rocks Brony's react. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so let's get right down to it. You all know who I am, you all know where I'm bed. I'm not
Yep.
going to repeat myself.
Yep.
I've been taking a lot of
Yep.
time to reflect, think about who I am, where I've been, where I'm going, and recovering since last.
Sometimes I like to do that too, man.
For the final season of My Little Pony, and that put a goddamn knife in my heart. Seriously, thanks, Hasbro. Fuck you. But
Yeah, fuck you, Hasbro.
if this
In fact,
isn't
fuck you for copywriting my frickin' reactions.
so much happiness at your way, then I gotta deal with it. But we're not there yet, so in time, please enjoy me reacting alongside all these other meatheads. It's time.
Too close, back off! Jason's going batshit insane. Zero! Ah, that was an Incredible Hulk reference.
Hello to you again, Internet. It's
Oh,
been quite some time since you've
welcome
seen me,
back,
but
my
for a
princess.
moment, I'm back. I am Princess Deadpool, and I am here with everyone else you saw before me, and maybe a few other people you'll see after me. And for that, well then, let's watch some shit.
Yes! Commence the reaction! Up, here we go!
You know, honestly, Twilight, celebrating something like that is something Pinkie Pie would do.
But this isn't the first time you've been spewing exposition this shamelessly.
Okay. It is time to stop! Twilight, did you even realize the first time they went on a quest, it led to illegal exposure to Elvis Pony or whatever? I don't think you want to be doing this, Twilight.
Because we're extra good at solving friendship problems.
It's just too easy.
Yep.
I ship it.
No,
Ship
no,
it
no,
like
no, no.
FedEx.
No.
It's great that you two
Apple
are the
Shy,
most
no.
incompetent ponies.
I would
to
prefer
ever
Apple
set foot
Dash
in a
over
conflict.
Apple Shy.
Fluttershy's always scared, almost every single time.
And yes, that
when
is a
an
burn.
unforeseen circumstance comes up, and Applejack tries to spill some honesty, but the ponies ignore her truth. Yeah, pretty good team, am I right?
Because it looks like this one might be a little tricky. You're going to the Peaks of Peril.
Ah, yes, the Peaks of Peril, where all the broke people be at.
Abbreviation, PIP. Let's see, what jokes can I make with that? Nah, too obvious.
Oh, fuck you.
It doesn't mean anything.
You could, for reference, look over at the three-dimensional table map right there. You hick.
No. Wait, what does peril mean? I haven't heard this word before. That sounds much less scary after the translation. I know it's your whole personality, but stop being such a pussy.
So, clouds, tails, and clouds, and the crystal empire is made of crystal?
And then Crag is made of cocaine. Then what would friendship be made out of?
Not the Illuminati, that's for
That is
sure.
made of horses?
Actually, that's a really good point. Oh, you're gonna die.
Sounds like they had a lazy rhyming scheme for all these places.
Naming.
You know, why don't you name it something original? Like New Mexico.
Back in his day, no pony knew much about the Peaks of Peril.
Back in my day, nobody knew much about TikTok.
It's mountains.
Which we don't even give a shit about.
Check on the map. Like this 3D rendered space that you have right in front of you that shows you the exact way it looks. Jesus Christ!
A group called the Kieran used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking.
A large group of idiotic kids used to make lip-syncing and miming videos.
We don't care about frickin' TikTok anymore, dude. Come on.
Other friendship creatures also live there. The nearest.
This person.
Twilight, you can't say. Wait. Twilight, you can't. Twilight, you can't say the N-word.
First off, we didn't
Our-
start the fire. Fortunately, it was bought and turned into TikTok. Now many other
Okay,
users-
enough with the TikTok talk.
This is my joke, and I'm sticking to it.
Oh yeah, you know. Do you live there?
Boo!
And some
Come on
horrible fire
already.
demons based entirely out of anger.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. That kind of reminds me of the Ghost Rider. Okay, sweeping declaration. If any New York guys who show up in this episode, they will be covered with Nick Cage faces. I have to die.
Do it for the memes!
Go instead of me, Twilight.
Don't be firephobic, Fluttershy. That's very offensive.
Fluttershy. Your ass is taking you there!
Oh, we throw Twilight under the bus.
Literally.
Thank you. Thank you. That is a smart choice.
Sorry, Fluttershy. Flakes don't lie.
It's like Shakira's song, Hips Don't Lie.
I'll just play. You know what's coming.
Or wait, it actually can be, I got big butts and I cannot lie. And other brother can deny. You could have used that one. I mean, I know it's not the same thing, but hey, it's close. It's close.
What he said about this scene has already been said. And if I said anything, I would make myself look like a huge idiot. Like the others are probably doing right now.
Skip the fucking intro! No! 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 Sorry about that, guys. My roommate had to stop by to make a quick pit stop. But anyways, let's continue on to the reaction to Baloney's react to Sound of Silence. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. No TikTok!
Boys, let's just
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, monkey. Thank you.
skip the fucking intro like we always do.
Yeah, skip the fucking intro.
That train is freaking legit. It can go forward and backwards.
Kind of like Willy Wonka's elevator. It could go sideways, slantways, long ways, short ways.
You know, guys, I've auditioned for a role on the reboot of The Office. It's very serious.
You're leaving the station with the belongings? They have no clothing to stay overnight. Oh, wait. They're ponies. Never mind.
Wow.
Yeah, like Applejack said,
Shortest stop
we don't
in
normally
Train
wear
history.
clothes.
And they literally reached the end of the line.
Ah! Kind of like Starlight's Village. It's like one side, it's like this is like the east end side, and then Starlight's Village is the west end side. I don't know, I could be wrong.
I've told you a dozen times. There's nothing to be scared
Nothing to be scared about. Just some old man with crippling friendship.
Fluttershy, why did you scream?
Yeah, the second time. Yeah, you legit just already saw him, and you already got warned. Why did you scream a second time? Like, it was totally unnecessary.
Taking the train to the end of the line. Which is basically North Korea.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, crazy train guy, wanna be friends?
Don't get me wrong, that was a good one, but still. But oh well. This is a mature reaction, so what the fuck ever. This is hysterically and ridiculously unnecessary. Oh my god.
Kill.
I've lived in this shed for 30 years.
That asshole probably just scares tourists for fun. I doubt he has anything else to do.
Nice, organic metal tuft you got there. Will a detainer hire to say, wowee?
I will give him this. His evil
I don't
laugh is
get
a
it.
lot better than Scott from Austin Powers.
Oh.
It's creeping a bit.
Really, Red Card? You think this is funny? I mean, don't get me wrong, it is pretty funny, but...
Black midnight.
Oh my god. He couldn't stop.
7:59 a.m.
Oh my goodness.
I'm already in love with this episode.
Maybe there's a little something to be
He liked it.
God,
I was laughing because of how ridiculous it was, not because of the fact that it was funny. I mean, it was a bit funny, but whatever.
Did anyone else see Applejack just launching herself into the cliffside?
Yes.
Soaring celestial blueprints. Time chimes, life alarms.
Those must be the peaks of peril. Tough going,
Oh.
Fluttershy. Fluttershy!
Oh man, did that happen? Oh no.
Your friend.
And it was 14 minutes into the reaction till I realized.
Shit. Noticing that Fluttershy was gone. If anything, you're the bad forever.
Oh, guys, I hate escort missions. You look on the map and you
Man,
see 'em is
I've
all
never
red
had
and
brightness
everything,
issues
like,
up until these past few reactions. Like, this is crazy.
Sorry, guys, there's a piss-inducing demon in here.
Wow, that sucks.
Yep.
That should be enough flowers to keep your tree cozy.
Fluttershy! What are you doing? This is no time for visiting varmints.
Independent Applejack did a noopsie. Fluttershy, talking to vermins, also did a noopsie. I'm Poppy Harlow, and you're watching Pone News, the only equestrian news source that has a mind of a changeling.
Oh my god, the freaking Black Ribbon. Oh my god. I have no words.
Get up that peak. I figured we use some rope and elbow grease.
You want John Cena to take you up to the mountain and inspire you to complete your friendship adventure?
We can make it a Applejack.
Whoa, shit.
I love it whenever Fluttershy yells.
Yes.
So much love. Can
Yep.
I hug you, angry shy?
World told me a shortcut.
Yeah, can I hug you too?
Village.
What the? Did you all see that?
But you could have. And you had to endure all the trouble of just climbing up that Applejack, and you could have taken the shortcut.
No. It's back! Jesus.
Wow. What Halo map is that?
It looks like something George of the Jungle would live in.
I think he did. Yep.
No, gay thoughts about George of the Jungle, Brendan Fraser. No.
I hope that's not in here.
Whoa, Fluttershy, are we gonna have to start censoring you here?
Oh man, I bit my lip. Crap, I think I bit my lip. Oh crap.
Well, hi. I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy.
Look, just because we approached you doesn't mean we want to hang. I made way too many friends this way. These imbeciles are living proof.
Pretty much me when I watch an episode of Macaroni's React.
Oh. Oh man, why you gotta diss Cat like that, man? Come on.
They're just tilting their heads like they're in a cat video. I love it.
Oh yes, they of course just do the average head tilt like we all thought they would.
Fluttershy, you love your animals and all that stuff, but the children are so adorable. Please,
Oh,
please let me
they
be
are.
your child.
Oh, guys, it's like that TikTok meme.
I know this is a theme song to an anime, but seriously, this sounds more like a track Odyssey Eurobeat would make.
Don't gang rape or kill your friends. If there's any hostility, let's hope that it ends.
Get out.
leaving this green screen here. The editor can put whatever he wants there. I'm not affiliated with this at all.
What?
Ponish?
Yeah.
Ponish?
Yeah.
Ponish?
Yeah.
Ponish?
Yes.
What the fuck did you name your fucking human language Ponish? Oh my god! Oh! Jesus Christ, this is the worst thing to ever happen. I hate everything on earth for naming that language Ponish. Oh god, what did you name it? Fucking Humish? What the fuck? And then the
Have you
fucking
not
dragons
seen the
and
season
fucking,
7
like,
finale? Like, this
other
has already
shit,
been a
they're
thing.
all speaking Ponish? Why did that fucking horses get priority over the fucking language? What the fuck are we talking about? God damn Ponish! Oh my god!
Hey, just be glad it's not Horsius.
But you don't speak?
Hey guys,
Or else that would have been more
the new
crappy.
Bird Box challenge, but for smart people.
Like talking to Angel Buddy? Not exactly. I can always tell what Angel is feeling.
If you can always tell what Angel is feeling, then why is he such a dick all the time?
What he should commonly feel is a spank burn across his devil
You make a good point. What the?
Difficulty spanking with your saying as you would probably end up punching. I'm not opposed to that either.
He's hearing you. Don't show anything.
Yeah, it's a pretty common trait among us cool folk. AirPods.
Oh god.
This joke is getting old.
Well, how are we gonna solve a
That was an old one. I never heard of that one, and yet that still sucked.
This is a disaster. Never experienced a friendship problem of this magnitude before.
No, I mean, gosh, I don't know. I don't know how they'll get out of it this week.
In the 3-year existence of the friendship map, when has anyone ever told them what the friendship problem is? Never.
Maybe you're the fucking
Yeah,
friendship
never.
problem. Wait. Oh, I was about to do a Magma Master impression there. Maybe you're the fucking problem, Applejack.
These Karen are quieter than an apple blossom on snowfall.
Bitch, what type of fucking
Seriously, if I turn it down, it's gonna make the reactors dark, but the show normal. But then if I turn it brighter, it's gonna make the show bright as hell, and it's gonna make the reactors like.
How long?
Actually, wait. Oh my god.
Or the screech they produce.
Still, there's gotta be something to make them speak.
Yeah, make the reactors normal, and then the show too bright.
Beautiful day, ain't it?
Sorry there.
The sky, the wind, the sound. How do we live in a world of silence and mishap? My existence of God only resides in the black hole in the universe. Stephen King was right about the universe ending in a black mass of possibilities. The violent and turbulent nature of the rapid assembly, the violent crashing together of the galaxy's foundations during the galaxy's birth prevented normal star formation.
Please never speak to me or my child ever again.
The kind of shit I've been through. Just leave me alone.
Knock, knock. Now you say, who's there?
I'm gonna say the N-word. That's racist. You can't say the N-word.
Police! Police who? Police! Say something!
A Transformers.
You can do better.
Yeah. Applejack, leave the jokes to Pinkie Pie.
Yeah.
Gotta, suck.
Yeah, it sucked.
Listen, Bucko Bronco, if you're not gonna have the patience to let me figure out a response to your stupid joke,
It's supposed to be pleased to meet you, not please say something.
I feel a sneeze coming on.
Applejack, sit down before you embarrass yourself.
Just realize
Yeah,
that
you're
they
not
can't
really gonna
literally
think
be
that,
able to
Jack.
speak. Like, come on.
Ugh. I pity any guy you have sex with.
Oh god.
The trees.
I don't want to go in the void.
Times to come in the future. Oh, if you listen closely to them, you can hear the ominous, the reviews of the upcoming Pet Cemetery reboot. It's probably going to be really shitty.
Oh crap.
Careful.
Shots fired. What did she say?
Probably
Go eat a crab.
really shitty.
Yeah.
Be careful. And watch out for me.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought.
I Phil Swift here for Flex Tape.
Was that applicable? What?
One squirrel make
Are you doing this just to piss me off, drummer?
Because of physics, what are you?
Oh
Oh, for the love of Celestia.
Applejack throwing her hat down reminds me of every time baseball manager Lou Piniella has gotten ejected.
Yes! Yes!
Say something?
Look, I'm stretching for jokes already. I just can't be funny all the time now.
MLB coach rejections are just the best.
Am I pronouncing that right? Some words I haven't said in a while. Wild.
If I was
Yeah,
really
wow.
accurate, Magma Master would be correcting my spelling and grammar right now. Fucking grammar Nazi.
Hi, I'm Autumn.
Hey, I'm a grammar Nazi too, damn it. Don't make fun of
You
me.
should consider speaking more often, getting some
But then
community
again,
advice.
it's not to say that we grammar Nazis also make
Try.
mistakes. We also make mistakes.
Away with thee, piss off.
Try, you're not in this fucking episode, you fucknut. Get out!
I feel bad. We replaced Try Trot with iPony.
Tired, hungry, reflective, and
No, I'm just kidding.
what you should do, of course.
He's doing pretty fine.
God, oh my God, just let me go back to the town. Oh, she sounded like she's gonna do a musical number, and I hate it already.
On and you haven't seen.
Oh, come on!
How do you say-
It might be good.
Of course you
And who
haven't.
knows, it might get nominated for a Daytime Emmy Award. Oh wait, that didn't happen. Shit.
People, just one second, please. Just one itty little bitty moment. I need to just make one little addition here.
Ah! Death, yep, of course. Because, you know, Deadpool and Death, they all have a thing with each other. Also, I know what the Deadpool movie
I'll say
did there.
this, but this has a James
Made-
Cameron Avatar feel to it.
Yeah.
Let's try and
Oh,
see
it's
what
fine.
happens.
I just heard Avatar and that's it. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, you think so too? The way the light shimmers off everything. Like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forest and yes, the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing, and we are all it.
Wow, like how much weed, Jewel, have you smoked, bruh? Like, lay it off and don't do drugs.
Yeah, no.
And that is basically Colors of the Wind.
Stop healing my depression. My edge is the only thing setting me apart from the other assholes participating in this.
Holy shit, I just wanted to enjoy the fucking sunset, and you're giving me an existential crisis right now.
Jesus.
You know, if you work this around in just the right way, there's a coffee commercial in here somewhere.
The way the light shimmers off everything. Like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it.
Seriously, I don't know what to do with the brightness. Oh my god.
I was gonna say it's pretty.
Seriously, if I turn up the brightness now, yes, you will be able to see the reactors fine, but the cartoon episodes clips, they would be too bright. However, this is fine, and the reactors, they're too hard to see. It's too dark. Like, see?
I wanted to keep the screen and take you home with me.
Okay, Princess Deadpool, settle down there, bro.
Congratulations.
Process.
Proceeded? Oh, I get it. Processed meat.
No,
Yes.
I'd rather.
Sing.
Go again.
He's not No. He's like, no.
I hate it already.
It might be.
I want to end my existence!
Man, why they gotta
What?
make a musical these days? Like, come on. Queen the movie? Seriously, guys?
Told stories and funny jokes.
Fuck you,
At least
Quibs.
Karen made good comebacks.
And I know I
in
just
Cosby's
spit.
acting career.
Sue me.
Oh, Blaze, you're not Jerry Seinfeld.
Then one day a fight broke out. The words were
Hey, but she's trying to.
Shit! Got a horse ass on.
No!
Bullock said it was my turn on the Xbox.
Again, fuck you, Quibs.
Flaring tempers were inflamed.
Ah!
Quickly spread.
Yes, I did it for the meme! Yes! Oh my god, what the hell was that? Was that fucking Tengu or something? What the fuck?
Many of them get angry at each other, and then their whole village burns to the ground. Is it really safe to live anywhere?
Talking yelled our leader. The last thing said out loud. Into the stream of silence.
Up here, there you go. Yeah, I was about to say, you forgot!
The final words before your silence.
Stupid! I'm not gonna let you get the chip!
Okay, I found two animation errors there. You see the ripples? This one here disappears too quickly, and that one disappears too quickly.
Yeah.
Seriously, there's only so long that Sudoku can keep you entertained.
Sudoku will be even more extremely boring. Are you insane?
Sudoku! That's how you pronounce it. I always pronounced it Sudoku all the fucking time.
To be honest, Sudoku is actually pretty entertaining. I mean, I just can't stop. I just need to solve the fucking number puzzle. Shit, I fucking blew. Jesus.
Run that back a little bit.
Where's the Joker when you need him? Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yes. I can't wait for the Joker movie to come out this October. I'm so super excited. Joaquin Phoenix is gonna fucking kill it in that movie. I just know it. I feel bad it's not gonna be a part of DCEU. But then again, I mean, we had Suicide Squad, so what the fuck ever. Anyway, shut up.
Luckily, I can't feel pain. In fact, I can't feel anything at all. Get it, guys? That's your cue to laugh.
Get out.
Okay, so how come the Storm King is switching from day and night? Did he resurrect from the dead?
Nope. That was just a shadow.
So it's a magical tonic that makes you
What? Nah, not really. Jokes and songs and daily dose of news.
You are fake news.
That is Citizen Kane.
Yikes,
Yep.
that is some decent art there. Past shadows.
Yeah, that is actually pretty damn
Where
good.
did they get knowledge of light casting like this? It's just more of an art style thing than it is a reality.
The only writer to
Oh,
reviews they
I-
are giving is anyone with a trusted news source than BuzzFeed.
Variety reviews.
Hot trash!
Theater. Sorry, I listen too much of Violet Pony's remix, so that's the reason why I'm making all the moves and stuff. I feel bad they missed the Hamilton part.
It could have been worse. It could have been worse. You could have had Gerard Butler. Oh no, I actually fucking hate musical theater.
harshest things I've seen on this show in a long time.
Yep. Yep. What the heck? Now we got pirate VeggieTales. What the fuck is happening?
If only Ariel considered that.
I forgot. It's red card. It's red card. It's red card. I'll let it go. I'll let it go.
You may come to find there are these song moments that make you go,
Seriously, I really wish they caught the Hamilton reference. That time it was a false alarm. Anyways, I'm just gonna skip the countdown and let's get back to it. Hopefully no more interruptions.
flat in comparison
Less than
to the
15
leg
minutes to
of
go.
not
We're
breathing
good.
the couch.
Take it away, boys!
Yes. The best part of this fucking song. Okay, we're going back to party of one vibe.
Screw you, monkey. And just when I thought we were gonna get along fine, you all of a sudden had to say you hate musical theater. You're scared of a little pain.
But it's more like what the Karen's minds are going through right now.
They played us like a damn fiddle.
Times you gotta let it rain. I can't go up the octave. I seriously can't. I'm just not there yet. I'm not ready. Rain. I could do that.
Joy to sad depresso espresso.
Ah! Joke's on you now, Drummershy.
Believe it. No pony should give up feeling their feelings just to keep from getting angry.
Get owned, libtards.
What the hell?
Applejack, do we really need to be judgmental of people's feelings?
Yes.
This here's the problem that Fluttershy and I came to help y'all with.
The problem here is that you two wasted 15 horse hours just walking around and doing nothing and causing havoc. Please, shut your damn mouth!
Yes, yes, yes.
Silhouette gloom of the sundown lands.
That's what I call my nuts.
That joke is dead. That joke isn't funny anymore.
Besides me.
Oh boy, here we go. You don't just name your shadow, you wait for it to tell you its name.
Silhouette gloom of the sundown lands. I gotta admit, that's a very much more awesome name than Flo.
Oh,
One small thing.
Nothing doesn't seem like your lies.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them.
No.
But I hope she does.
Your friend's pretty ugly. And might I say you have great googly eyes and a stick.
The Kieran are usually peaceful.
Not gonna say a word.
They turn into
Hey, come on. That's a joke. Hey, where's the freaking Nicolas Cage? Petey, you're slacking behind. You're slacking.
On their side, she's always afraid of hurting everyone's feelings. Of course she'd go mute if she had the choice.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Lyric in the first
By the way, I am so pissed off T-Series is #1 on you for most subscribers on YouTube.
You're not listening.
You're not making any sense.
Fluttershy is literally the
I was gonna say
song.
make
You're
any
just
sense, but
a
I
hillbilly
should have known that was not it. I should have just shut up.
We were arguing with each other.
Oh, shucks. We were just having a normal civil disagreement.
If Twitter has taught me anything, then those don't exist. You always have some malicious hidden intention that you yourself don't know, but the person on the other side of the argument apparently does.
Where are they
True.
taking us?
Where do you think they're gonna take you?
To the stream of silence.
Hmm.
If we hit that water, we'll never be able to talk or feel anything ever again.
Okay, so it's interrelatable thing here.
Jesus. Again, you're missing the Nicolas Cage.
This is fine.
I fell into a burning ring of fire. I went down, down, and the flames went higher.
Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze.
Nice! Smoke weed every day. Dang it! Missed opportunity right there.
I did not know California would be that small of a state.
I thought you were dangerous with an angry.
Good.
Control your temper.
He's in Jaja joke for legal reasons. That's
Hey, reference humor. Hey.
You miss it?
get out.
I know you're worried about fighting, but friends can disagree without causing a ruckus.
Leave the Marvel references to Princess Deadpool, so to speak. We really don't need you.
Still burning greatly.
Uh-oh, he really wants to be in it.
Hey, just wanted to let you know that you need to go commit friendship death. Thanks. See you in hell, fucker.
If that's what it's all about.
We've an Applejack and I are.
Okay, whatever.
When did we ever argue?
On the way here, and about the Kieran being silent, and right now.
That's not how you yell. This is how you yell. Ah! Learn something, you fucking yellow horse.
And I was hoping for both of them to just say kiss.
Oh god, no!
Don't look at me like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna continue looking at you like that. Oh.
Or go see a doctor about your problems about crippling silence depression.
Get some help. Stop. Get some help.
Oral sex. Explodes, ejaculate. The stars in the ocean.
Would you excuse me? I'll be right back.
All you have to do is untie.
It's like that one scene from Kindergarten Cop.
No! Shut up!
She's thirsty, holy shit. We'll leave me alone.
Oh my god.
You want the cure for the stream of silence?
Fuck, I suck at charades.
No shit you do.
Well, it would be, except there aren't any flowers left to make the cure.
I just want to push Applejack into the river of silence.
Fluttershy, a little help.
They said I'm a convenient plot device.
That's what fool's breath looks like?
Fool's breath? What kind of disgusting shit are you on, Fluttershy?
I owe you an apology.
Why?
Because if you're
I just gotta realize this is a mature audience type of reaction, so they're gonna use drug jokes.
That is
Do not
why
argue,
to this
Fritz.
day,
Do not argue.
Season 1, Applejack will always be an asshole.
Where were they? Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents.
Comedic tangents are my job. Except that mine aren't comedic and rather annoying or depressing.
Yes. It is so true and so sad.
Oh, right. First things first.
That's not how tea works. That's not how tea works at all. That fountain is not how tea works.
I bet
What
it's.
the fuck?
Okay, not
Are you
like
sure?
the booth tucked from earlier, but I personally feel that tail should be tucked a little ways behind that back right leg, because something just ain't right there.
What?
I really
What?
like
In
how
the
different
butt.
their magic aura is compared to unicorns. I don't know why I'm noting that. I just really like that detail. Like, same kind of spell, but it looks different. Rather than just a cloud of a certain color, it sort of like outlines them. Oh my
Yeah.
god, they really are cats!
Yo. Oh god, that sucks.
Exactly how I feel about you. You worthless piece of shit.
Autumn Blaze, you have given us a gift.
That was a very unconvincing read there, voice actress I don't know. Okay, why does she not sound regal in the slightest? Like, holy shit, I've gotten better fucking regal voice actors from Fiverr. As a matter of fact, let me
That
show
was sort
off
of
now.
regal.
Attention Fortnite gamer. John Wick is in great danger and needs your
No
help.
Fortnite references, damn it!
But to do this, he needs a golden
This is
sword
horrible
on top
waste of
of
$5. Yes,
To help him,
you.
all he needs is your credit card number, the 3-digit on the back, and the expiration month and year.
You
But you've
think?
got to be quick.
Anything with
John Wick
Fortnite,
can secure
any
a bag
upgrade
and a
that has
cheap,
something,
epic
any
victory
type of Fortnite
royale.
upgrade is a complete waste of money.
If you came back to live with us, I can't say how much we've missed your beautiful voice.
Fuck no! Stuck-up bitch!
Why don't you go fuck yourself?
Hey, firemen!
It's a lesson that I can never learn.
Accurate and with all you can walk on water.
It's a lesson that I village
Never learn.
Did you just look straight in your leader's face and sing how they never learned this life lesson?
And then there's like, yep, that is true.
Recently,
We actually did never learn, and you were actually right. Rainbows they light up the sky unless you let it. Oh god, I forgot. You're supposed to stop and then rain. Make it rain, bitches. Fuck bitches get money.
Yes. I love the.
Yeah, I blooped on that one. I do apologize.
That's pretty cool.
I need to know my singing, my music timing.
The episode ends.
Yeah. Yeah. Boop, boop. And then it ends.
That's how the episode ends.
Yes.
Is that really how it ends?
Yeah, with the hoof.
Is that really how it ends?
Yes. With the hoof bump. Conclusions.
So guys, this was a pretty good episode. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed being back here on Baloney's React again. That's pretty much it.
Thoughts on the episode?
I thought it was great. I would say between a 9 to a 10 out of 10.
Season 8.
I would say,
gotta admit, wasn't, like,
yeah, 9,
super great.
9.5. Yeah, 9.5.
Alright.
I don't know. I think 9.2. I don't know.
Octavia wasn't in it.
It's
Still stealing that joke from Soda Stream. No, I'm fucking stopping now.
not Soda Streak, it's orchestral design, damn it.
Be my fucking first suit.
Okay then, okay, yeah, I definitely have to agree
Yes,
with what other people are saying. This
shit.
is the best episode of season 8.
Yes.
Which, honestly, I'm thankful for. 'Cause,
I mean, critically,
yeah,
yes, but
my opinion of
me,
season
no.
8,
I would
yeah.
prefer Surf and or Turf.
No. I mean, season 8 kind of sucks.
Literally everyone.
Okay.
To be honest, I don't think it sucks that bad, to be honest.
Than the last one.
Season 6 was, yeah, worse. Season 8 was better.
The last one, I said this. I am tired of seeing crappy episodes in this season. But this one changed my mind. But
Yes!
season 8 overall sucks. Fight me, bitch.
Okay, you wanna go?
Silence, one of the best episodes of season 8. Oh yeah. I really liked it when. You know, I also really liked it when.
I guess we'll never know.
How do we get out of here?
And you'll be stuck there
Participating.
forever.
Props 102 reaction. I don't have anything creatively
Forever.
scripted or figured out for my outro. So I guess I'm just gonna end it.
Oh gosh. What are we up to now? Oh. Worst famous person in the... Really? Don't DM me endgame spoilers. As it was enough. We're going to corn. Partner in crime, yeah. Yeah. Why the fuck are you? Because it's entertainment. It may be Brony cringe, but it's still entertainment. And hey, it's better than Brownie's react, so. And yeah, sue me. Oh my gosh. So, that was Baloney's react to Sounds of Silence, and I gotta say, that was pretty interesting. I thought this Baloney's react was just a wild ride, but at the same time, pretty fun to watch. I wouldn't put it as one of my top favorites, though. I mean, you got the Christmas reaction and the Legend of Everfree reaction, as well as the My Little Pony Move reaction. I mean, hell, that one's still at the top right there of my list. But this one, I mean, it's not one of my top favorites, but I will say, I still liked it. I still enjoyed it, and I thought it was pretty good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to Baloney's react to Sounds of Silence. Be sure to subscribe, check out my movie review series and my MLP Grimdark fanfic review series, and all my other reactions as well. Click on the bell as well, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at FritzRolle732. And since I'm wearing a beanie, I can't tip my hat to you. Instead, I will give you a bow for a good show, and that's a wrap. See ya!
Daddy likes the disco.